Ayan, good day once again mga kaguro. Narito po muli si Maestro Sani para po atin pong pag-usapan o ihalayhay ang isa sa mga pinakamahalagang papel for promotion for a higher teaching position, ang action research. So yan, alam ko pong marami pong marunong gumawa nito pero hindi po yung proseso ng paggawa ang ihahalayhay natin sa oras na ito, kundi kung paano ito gamitin na pertinent document for promotion. Kailangan lang pong pag-usapan natin konti about action research. So according to Mertler, action research is characterized as research that is done by teachers for themselves. Ayan. Ang sabi po kasi, this is for your self-innovations. Teacher examine their own classroom instructional strategies, assessment, procedures, and interactions with student learners in order to improve their quality and effectiveness. So, very well said po. Hindi na po natin ihahalayhay ng mabuti. So, this is according po dun sa memorandum for the preparation of pertinent document for a higher teaching position. So sa letter D po niya, initiated or headed an educational research duly approved by educational authorities. So that is 12 points. So number 1, research shall either be action research or applied research. Next, research proposal should have been acknowledged, noted, endorsed by the school head, school research committee, then reviewed by the school division research committee, and recommended and approved by the assistant schools division superintendent or the ASDS and the school's division superintendent respectively. So kailangan po may approval po sila. Then a complete research shall be a terminal write-up or shall have a terminal write-up duly acknowledged and noted by the school or schools division research committee and recommended and approved by the ASDS and SDS respectively. Then research topic shall be aligned with the research agenda of the central office, the regional office, the schools division office, and syempre ng school, kasi sa school level po dapat nanggagaling yung concerns. Then, research conducted and submitted to fulfill requirements for a masteral and doctoral program are not credited as they have credited for the degree program. So, hindi po natin pwedeng gamitin yung ating masteral or master's thesis or doctoral dissertation. So, hindi po pwede yun. Exemption po, hindi po pwedeng isubmit as pertinent documents for master teacher position. Pero yun ay ginagamit for teacher 3 position. Pwede po para wala pong tanong-tanungan. Mag-submit ka lang po ng libro mo, ng thesis mo sa masteral. Ayun, kahit isa lang yun, qualified ka na po for teacher 3 position. Then, credits of 12 points shall be given to the individual research. For group, points shall be divided equally among the researchers. So, kung dalawa kayo, divided by 2, that is 6 points. Except for research funded in the Basic Education Research Fund, which will case all members will receive 12 points. Ayan, kung naipasok po ninyo or naipa-approve po ninyo sa birth, ayun, kahit ilan po kayo, lahat po kayo makaka-receive ng 12 points. Marami pong nagpapa-approve pero iilan lang po yata yung na-approve kasi mahirap po dyan magpa-approve. Masyado pong detail yung kanilang gustong gawin kasi syempre gagamitin po yan ng regional office. Next, needed documents. Siyempre, a letter applying for permission to conduct the research duly approved by educational authorities concerned. So, kailangan po isa sa mga, kung gagawa po tayo ng pertinent documents, kailangan po tayong may permit para po ang ating action research ay qualified for pertinent documents. Then, a copy of the research, including objectives, method used, statistical data, and results obtained. Then, a certification that the research was initiated by the researchers, duly certified by and authenticated and corroborated by at least 5 co-teachers. Yan na. Ito pong mga tatlo ito ay may i-represent po ako na sample. So, sa aking soft copy, kung gusto nyo pong maka-claim ng soft copy, whether ng PowerPoint or ng document mismo, pwede po kayong mag-request. Just comment po your email address sa chat box ng aking YouTube channel para po matugunan ko po. Okay, so ito po yung action research template. So yun po yung mga parts niya. Kailangan po may yung part 1. Then yung part 2 is the action research proper. Action research paper na po yun. Dito yung parang pinaka-template po na ginagamit or sinasubmit. Then next, sa part 1, action research template or AR template. So ito po yun. So, ito po yung sample ng ginamit ko. That was 2017 and 18 pa. So, ang aking title is The Correlation Between Teachers' Competence and Pupils' Academic Performance of Kasiglahan Village Elementary School as Basis for Teachers' Continuing Development Program. Yan. Then, author, syempre mag-isa ko lang doon. I am a Master Teacher 1 po. Then, ang aming school, ang aming district, objectives, Teachers' Continuous Professional Development Program will be able to improve teachers' performance, improve the quality of classroom instruction, and support the implementation of DepEd programs. Then, methodology, correlation research design which seeks to find out the correlation between. So, ayan po, hindi ko na po i-discuss yan. Then, duration niya, 8 months. Siyempre, mahirap pong gumawa ng hindi po tayo nakakagawa ng action research ng basta-basta lang. Then, findings, the teacher's competence has correlation with the pupils' academic performances in Kasiglahan Village Elementary School, siyempre. Then, research limitation, this study centers on the correlation of teachers' continuous professional development program and academic performance of pupils in Kasiglahan Village Elementary School. So, una po, title page. Ito po yung aking title page. Context and rationale. So, ito po yung aking rationale. So, ang suggestion po ng aking professor sa EDD is we need different kinds of graph. We should utilize different kinds of graphs sa atin pong action research or any kind of research para daw po mas maganda ang kanyang presentations. Ayan. So, ang base po ng aking action research ay not results. Context and rationale. Siyempre, kailangan pong may mga legal basis po tayo. So, kailangan. Then, ayan po siya. May mga citations. Pag action research lang po, mas simple lang po yung ating context and rationale. May mga 2 to 3 pages lang po. And next, innovation and intervention strategy. Ayan, so ito po yung sa akin with regards to the issues and concerns. So ayan po siya, basahin nyo na lang po kasi nga tulad ng sinabi ko, maraming mas magagaling na yung mga gumawa ng action research na naka-upload po sa YouTube. Ang sa akin lang po ay how to utilize it as a pertinent document for promotion. Hindi ko po ikino-contest yung aking simpleng action. So, yan po. Part pa rin ng interventions. Ito po yung pinaka ng aking action research. Then, action research questions. So, ayan po sila, ang aking mga action research question. May 5. Then, yung action research method. Ayan. Then, participants. Centers on the correlation of ang participants po ay grade 6 pupils. Ayan. Data gathering methods. Ayan, siyempre, kailangan po natin mag-seek ng permission para magamit po ang data ng test rate ng National Achievement Test. Pero sa ngayon, wala na po ito. Pero pwede po yung performance ng school, performance output ng school gamitin. Pagka ang gusto nyo, pagka ang target nyo po ay sa quality. Kasi meron po tayong tatlo. Quality, then governance. Yung isa medyo hindi ko maalala po yung isa. Then questionnaires. So meron pong questionnaires sa teacher. Then results and discussions. Ayan po, kahit katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, maganda po ang presentation pagka different kinds of graphs mo ang gagamitin. Sa gender. Ito sa teacher's educational attainment. Naman po sa length of service. Then, ito po yung results and discussion pa rin. So, ito po yung research, yung mga results ng aking action. Then, ayan din po. Then, discussions. Next would be sa discussion pa rin po. So, may mga graph. And this is the action plan. So, kailangan po may action plan. Yan sa course. Attitude. And references, syempre, napaka-importante po yan. And simple financial report kasi hindi ko naman po ito ipinasok sa birth, kaya personal funds po yan to finish the action research. Pwede naman po wala, kaya lang kailangan po kasi sa pagka-present mo siya sa division office. Ito pong aking action research ay presented po siya sa division research congress ng mga mas. Ito po yung aking poster presentation, and luckily po I received a citation as best poster presenter. Ayan. Among 300 or 400 master teachers, isa yung aking poster presentation na napili as Best Poster Presenter. Ipapakita ko mamaya yung proof ko. Baka sabihin nyo, nagmamayabang ako. Hindi po. I humbly share my poster presentation. Then, eto na po yung letter. Applying for permission to conduct the research. Ito po yung sample. So, pwede naman pong i-modify. Meron po ako yung sample sa soft copy. So, researcher, syempre noted palagi ng school head. Then, research committee. Ito po sa division research committee. Dadaan po kasi sa kanya yan. Siya ang re-review ng inyo pong research proposal. Then, siyempre, approve. Ito pong pinaka-importante, approve. Ayan. Then, ito po yung sinasabi ko, certification that the research was initiated, na hindi ko po kasi mahanap yung aking certificate. So, ito pong memorandum ang aking ipapakita sa inyo. Ayan, this is to announce the official result of Master Teachers Professional Development Program Colloquium held last December 19, 2017 at Kohala Bay Resort, Cardona, Rizal. So, ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina. Best Poster Presenter. Ako po ay sa batch 2. Alan. Then, certification. Ito po yung corroboration or corroborated by at least 5 teachers. Yan to, or pwede po mas maganda po yung mga co-participants ninyo sa congress or sa research, kung saan nyo po present yung research ninyo, sila po ang papirmahin nyo dito. Mas accurate po siya. So this is to certify that Sunny V. Matias, teacher of Casiglahan Village Elementary School, Rodriguez Sub-Office, conducted an action research entitled The Correlation Between Teachers' Competence and Pupils' Academic Performance of Casiglahan Village Elementary School, Basis for Teachers' Continuous Development Program, School Year 2017-2018. At saka, baka nagtatanong kayo, bakit teachers competence ang inaano niya? Kasi po ako po yung designated as head ng aming schools inset program. Yan, kaya pwede po akong mag-conduct ng research with regards to the performances of teachers. And with that, yan na po ang end ng aking presentation. Maraming salamat po, at kung gusto niyo pong makahingi ng maka-claim, I should say, ng soft copy ng aking action research as pertinent documents for a higher teaching position, pwede po kayong mag-comment sa aking message box ng aking YouTube channel, Maestro Sani po. Just type Maestro Sani sa search bar para po makita po ninyo yung aking YouTube channel. Marami na po akong na-upload na videos regarding sa preparation ng pertinent documents for a higher teaching. Yan, kailangan po, at ako po ay nagsusumamo na kayo po ay mag-subscribe sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe ng aking YouTube channel. Then, click the notification para po ma-notify kayo sa mga bago at susunod ko pang videos na i-upload. Thank you very much for watching. For now, that's all. Maestro Sani signing off.